स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू भूषण साइंस विच इज मोर देन जस्ट अ क्लास है। चलिए आ जाइए सोशियोलॉजी के आज लास्ट यूनिट के बारे में बात करते हैं कि यूनिट 7 में कौन कौन से इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज है जो कि आपके एग्जाम में पूछे जा सकते हैं, है ना। चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं बेटा। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, क्लिनिकल सोशियोलॉजी इन्वॉल्व द यूज ऑफ सोशियोलॉजिकल नॉलेज टू A. Study historical societies. B. Addressed and solve a social problem. C. Written fiction. And D. Perform surgeries. Correct answer हो जाएगा बेटा B. Address and solve a social problem. Question number 2. Clinical sociology is best described as a medical science, a subfield of a political science, an applied branch of sociology, and a D. Pure economics. Correct answer है बेटा C. An applied branch of sociology. Question number 3. A key goal of clinical sociology is A. Promoting industrialization, B. Preventing election, C. Improving human well-being, and D. Avoiding social contact. Correct answer है बेटा C. Improving human well-being. Question number 4. One major application of clinical sociology is in A. Urban planning, B. Crisis intervention, C. Astrology, and D. Engineering design. Correct answer है student B. Crisis intervention. Question number 5. Clinical sociologists work directly with A. Machine, B. Isolated data, C. Individual and a group, and D. Forest and wildlife. Correct answer है बेटा C. Individual and a group. Question number 6. Which of the following is not a function of clinical sociology? A. Analyzing health behavior, B. Reducing family conflict, C. Promoting disease spread, and D. Designing intervention. Correct answer हो जाएगा बेटा C. Promoting disease spread. Question number 7. A clinical sociologist may work with abused individual to A. Hide their problem, B. Increase their suffering, C. Develop supportive services, and D. Discourage therapy. Correct answer है student C. Develop supportive services. Question number 8. The use of sociological knowledge to resolve social crisis is called A. Abstract theory, B. Clinical sociology, C. Cultural lack, and D. Demography. Correct answer is student B. Clinical sociology. Question number 9. Clinical sociology promote social isolation, community breakdown, positive social change, and cultural backwardness. Correct answer है C. Positive social change. Question number 10. One of the responsibilities of a clinical sociologist is to A. Increase the inequality, B. Observe but not act, C. Assess and intervene in social setting, and D. Write poetry. Correct answer है student C. Assess and intervene in social setting. Question number 11. Clinical sociology can help in A. Creating new disease, B. Preventing social adjustment, C. Helping people cope with social challenges, and D. Promoting illiteracy. Correct answer है student C. Helping people cope with social challenges. Question number 12. Nurses can apply clinical sociology to A. Ignore patient background, B. Improve patient care by understanding social factors, C. Teach only pharmacology, and D. Maintain hospital silence. Correct answer है बेटा यहाँ पे B. Improve patient care by understanding social factors. चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. One strategy of clinical sociology is A. Crisis denial, B. Ignoring conflict, C. Crisis intervention, and D. Promoting cause. Correct answer है बेटा C. Crisis intervention. Question number 14. Clinical sociology help in A. Increasing divorce rate, B. Addressing social issues of abused individual, C. Avoiding community outreach, and D. Encouraging inequality. Correct answer है बच्चों B. Addressing social issues of abused individual. Question number 15. Sociology in nursing help the nurse to A. Ignore patient need, B. Work alone with a team, understand social dimension of illness, and avoid patient communication. Correct answer है बच्चों C. Understand social dimension of illness. Question number 16. Clinical sociology encourage A. Passive observation, B. Immediate withdrawal from problem, C. Proactive engagement with social issues, and D. Eliminating health issue. Correct answer है बेटा C. Proactive engagement with social issue. Question number 17. Clinical sociologists are trained to A. Perform surgery, B. Collect blood sample, C. Analyze and resolve social issues, and D. Write prescription. Correct answer है बेटा C. Analyze and resolve social issue. Question number 18. One of the method used in clinical sociology is A. Isolation, B. Crisis management, C. Surgery, and D. Hypnotism. Correct answer है बेटा B. Crisis management. Question number 19. Clinical sociology can help nurses with A. Technical language only, B. Medication calculation only, C. Holistic care by understanding social background, and D. Laboratory procedures only. Correct answer है बच्चों C. Holistic care by understanding social background. Question number 20. The ultimate aim of clinical sociology is A. Create social gap, B. Widen inequality, C. Promote human well-being and empowerment, and D. End communication. Correct answer है बेटा C. Promote human well-being and empowerment. Okay, thank you बच्चों.